What's the thing to message someone privately? It's a /m, isn't it? Oh, it's a message. And then their name.
Yeah.
Okay. Fly like a bird.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Sam, please.
I'm like a bird.
Do you just pee in the fucking way?
I said, I'm like a bird, and sent it, and then I said, I want to fly away.
At least you pee in the box, yeah.
I don't know where my heart is.
I don't know where my phone is.
Is it? I don't know where my heart is. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know. I don't
Yeah,
know
the
where
soul's
my
in
heart
there.
is. I don't know where my soul is.
Isn't it home and then soul?
Oh yeah. I don't know where my home is.
I don't know where my soul is. And it's like, I fly. Oh, alright, I'm gonna go finish off this fridge. So you can...
But baby, all you need to know is.
What are you typing in right now? Are you typing in the entire song lyrics?
I'm like a bird. I wanna fly away.
Oh, I didn't notice Kitty was right here. Oh god.
You know what that means, though, right?
What?
Just give me a second. Just give me a second, mate.
Yeah, dude, obviously. It means she wants to be a bird and she just wants to fly away.
You should probably listen to my stream right now.
Why?
Just do it.
Fuck, I have to go search around real quick. I don't want to die. What am I doing? Why am I doing this?
Just do it.
Fuck!
You won't regret it.
I'm doing it. You won't regret it. I bet I will.
You're beautiful, and that's for sure. You'll never, ever fade.
Are we gonna get
Hey, man. Not too bad, man. How you doing?
But it's not for
Jesus, Hitler's here.
Hello.
God dang, the door's loud.
Is this video gonna get taken down because our singing was too like
No,
God.
it'll just get made silent. I'm streaming right now.
This is from Poland, Polish vodka.
Oh my god, lag. Sweet. It's a floating hand.
Look, she also got me the book of Clan McNabb,
Wow.
and they play some history. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Shows them about like castles and shit.
Hey, Rain.
Yo.
I'm not even putting dirt down. I'm putting down like the wrong material because I'm real retarded.
It's my clan. And
Yeah.
it's shot glass. Isn't it the most epic shot glass?
Do you know that your voice is getting picked up in Rain's microphone right now?
What?
Is it?
Is it?
Yeah, crazy.
I'm trying to watch. I'm trying to watch the stream, but it's just it's up there.
I wanna fly away.
Yeah, there is no.
know where my soul is. don't know where my home is. But baby, I want it for you. It's I'm like a bird.
Sam, why do you want me to watch the stream?
Have you not heard it yet?
No, because all I hear is you singing. Oh, there we go.
My clan tag. Hashtag clan tag. Fam tag.
So who gave you these?
My auntie.
Oh,
She
sweet.
took me out to Poland and- The motto or like logo with it is the head of a savage. Some
What?
like the decapitated head on the thing. Like, yeah, brutal.
Oh, you.
Are you ready for it, Ryan? I'm like a bird, only fly away.
Oh,
Oh fuck.
sorry, I'm positioning myself.
You can turn your mic down too somehow.
Fucking turn you down. Alright, does this, hold on. Tell me if this gets quieter. Hello?
No. No, it's literally worse.
Really? What about now?
No, that's quieter now. Go back. Go.
Oh.
No, it's really loud, you dick.
It's because I'm putting it really close to my face.
But the problem is that it's picking up room noise.
Yeah.
I'll come edit it for you in a bit.
Fucking idiot, you.
I don't know where my home is. That was good. It was worth it.